Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I am really behind and I am just now getting to unboxing my Boxycharm and my Glossybox, so I apologize for that. I have explained in my Ricky's Cult Crushes and Sephora Play why I'm so behind, so if you haven't watched that, take a few minutes to go watch that if you wouldn't mind. This month, Boxycharms, their theme is Boxy Bash, and this is what the contents look like. The first thing in here is from Pretty Vulgar. You can see right on the top it says it. This is a Blacklist gel eyeliner, which is not something I use. I do think the packaging is super cute though, because it looks like a little inkwell, and it just looks pitch black in there. I probably am going to pass this along and see if somebody wants it or put it in a giveaway, because it is not something that I would use, even though it is really darling. I don't do eyeliners because I just never get around to it. The next thing in here is from Cover FX. It is a blurring primer. And I don't know if I've tried this one or not. I don't want to open it because it is a full size as well. I might go and sample it at Sephora and then either put it in a future giveaway or pass it along to somebody else. So Boxy's not doing so good right out of the gates. Next thing in here is a brush, which I do like brushes. And this is from the brand Aesthetica. Let's see, does it say? This is a face brush, so it doesn't really say. It's kind of a lopsided face brush, and it's pretty long. So I guess you could use it for blush. So we'll see. Interesting. I do like brushes. I need to do a brush declutter. That needs to happen at some point, probably at the end of the summer sometime. Next we have some eye brushes. These are also from Aesthetica. I'm not going to like fully take them out, but I just wanted to show you them. It looks like there is a spoolie, a little tiny eyeliner, and then a larger blunt angled. I will not use these brushes, so I will also put those in a giveaway because they're just not the type of thing that I use. Then from Han Beauty, this is all natural lip gloss. I have not heard of this. I did watch some unboxings and I did not see this in any of them. This retails for $15. It has argan and acai oil in it. It does look like a pretty color. Let's smell it. It has a very sicky sweet scent to it. But that is actually a pretty color, so I'll give that a try. That's kind of nice. And then finally is a palette, because they have been doing nothing but palettes lately. And let's see, there's lots of stuff in it. It is a pure palette. It is a sculptor palette. And from what I have seen, it is not something that I will be keeping because I am a little too pale for it. But somebody else should really enjoy it. Ooh, you don't need to see all that. That is what it looks like. So it has 2 contours and 2 highlighters. They are both pretty darn dark. Let me grab my Park Avenue Princess. All right, so this is the bronzer that I usually use on my skin as a sculptor because of how pale I am. I'm going to turn this upside down. I'm trying to keep the plastic on it. So you can see the difference. And why this is a little too dark for me, but I think that will be really nice for someone in a future giveaway. I'm going to be putting it right back in the packaging and then putting it in my giveaway box. I have a giveaway box going. So looking at this month's box, this sculptor palette retails for $30. It is something, like I said, that I will not be keeping. So I feel like that's a little bit of a bummer because if you are lighter skinned, this is going to be really difficult to use. The blurring primer retails for $38. That's, wow. I always am surprised at how much primers are by Cover FX. We'll see about this. I don't want to like open it and then find I don't like it, because I'd rather put it in a giveaway. The brushes retail for $45. Wow, those are $15 a brush. That's a lot. I would not pay $15 a brush for those. The gel eyeliner retails for $24. The face brush, this is not worth $27. I am sorry. This, like, it is a plastic handle. It doesn't, like, it's not a fancy brush at all. It doesn't feel like $27 worth. I don't think it's worth $27. And then the lip gloss is worth $15. So I will be keeping these two. The rest of them I will be passing on. So I have to say that Boxycharm is not starting out very strong, but let's see how Glossybox, if they do better. So this month it is Eat, Sleep, Travel, Repeat. It's really cute. It's yellow and it has little planes on it. I was excited when I saw the box. Then you always get a little card like the last one, and then inside it says, oh, it has ingredient lists for a couple of the items in here, and then a deal for The Economist, which I probably will not subscribe to. Then you untie it, which I have pre-untied, trying to make this a shorter video. And then inside, this is what it all looks like. The first things in here are the ones that were on the cart. I'm going to pull those out first. This is an evening primrose shampoo for dry hair, which I definitely do not have dry hair, but we'll still try it and see how it does. I might pass it along to someone else after a while. Then we have, these are both from John Masters Organics. I'm sorry. Next is the Lavender and Avocado Intensive Conditioner. And lavender gives me a terrible headache. We're going to see if it smells like lavender. Yep. So this hit me right in the back of my throat. This will be passed on because I just don't do well with lavender scents at all. Next is from DHC. It is a facial cleanser. It is a deep cleansing oil. This is just a little sample size. I do like face oils. I use them quite a bit as a cleanser. Then we have from Larites Cosmetics. It is a shade stick. Let's see what it looks like. Sheesh. All right, it's plain black packaging. Ooh, it is a contour stick. It is quite, I mean, it's not as dark as the last palette, but I am not going to use a contour stick like that, so I'm going to actually put that in my giveaway too. I feel like I'm putting a lot of stuff in my giveaway boxes this month. Then this is Arizona by Parenza Schuler, I don't know. And it is a perfume, it appears to be. That's what it looks like, little bottle. It is cute. I love little perfume bottles. So I'm excited to add this to my collection. Oh, it smells really good too. It's very light. It's a very light, light, clean scent. So I do like that. Then the last thing in the box is from Tree Hut, which is, I love their scrub. I get their sugar scrub all the time. This is a protecting daily moisturizer, and SPF 30. It says refining rose, so I wonder what it smells like. So I'm trying to, that was one pump. It might give you white flashback, which could be a problem. I don't know why it says that it's refining rose at the bottom, because there is no rose scent to it whatsoever. Interesting. So let's look at the prices of all of those items. The perfume retails a full size for $100. Oh my gosh, how big is this? So this is worth $10 because this is 0.17 ounces and 1.7 ounce bottle is $100. That is hella expensive. Like, that's more expensive than most of my perfumes. All right, next we have the deep cleansing oil, and it retails for $28, which is about normal for a cleansing oil. Then we have the shampoo and conditioner. The full size of these retail for $16 for the shampoo and $22 for the conditioner. And the conditioner is an ounce smaller than the shampoo. That's interesting. And then we have the shade stick, which I just put back in the box. It retails for $24. The shade is Aloha. Oh, that's cute. It does say Aloha on the bottom. That's a cute shade name. And then the perfume. The sunscreen retails for $14.99. So I will be passing on the conditioner and the highlighting or the contour stick. I'm going to try the shampoo. I'll try the sunscreen. It does seem to leave me a little shiny. You can see how shiny my hand is as compared to the one that doesn't have sunscreen on it. Cleansing oil, I'm always excited to try, and the perfume I really do like, but will not be buying a full size of it till it goes on sale. So all in all, I think Glossybox actually was a better box this month, just because of the items that were in both of these. I'm a little disappointed. I was hoping that Boxy, I thought this was like their birthday month, or that they were doing something special, because it doesn't really seem like it was a special box. We'll see. My June box is on its way, so hopefully that will be up in the next couple days, and you will get to compare them pretty close to one another. I hope you are all having a fantastic day. Let me know what your thoughts are on these boxes. Let me know how you are doing, and I'll talk to you guys next time.